So students, we will discuss now velocity and speed and acceleration and various graphs. First is speed. Speed is the distance traveled by the body in per unit time or in 1 second. It is a scalar quantity. And formula, total distance upon total time. It is the average speed. Unit is distance in meter, time in second, meter per second. The instant speed for a very small interval of time, limit delta t tends to 0 means time interval is very short, then we will write at the place of delta ds upon dt. It is the instant speed. Now velocity. What is the difference between velocity and speed? Speed is a scalar velocity vector, but it is the distance traveled by the body in a particular direction. So here is the direction, means displacement. So velocity is the displacement of body in per unit time. The formula is same as like the speed. We use arrow for the vector quantity. Next is uniform and non-uniform. When a body travels equal distance, equal displacement in equal interval, the motion will be uniform, speed will be uniform, velocity will be uniform. And when it travels different distances or displacement in equal interval, then it is called non-uniform motion, non-uniform speed and non-uniform velocity in case of displacement. What is acceleration? Acceleration is the change in velocity in per unit time or in 1 second. It is a vector and denoted by a. Change in velocity upon time. For instant acceleration, delta again is converted dv upon dt, and it is for very short interval of time as is written here, and unit is meter per second square, and dimension is lt minus 2. Dimension lt minus 2, and here dimension is lt minus 1. Now different type of graphs. Between distance and time, it will give the speed. Between velocity and time, it will give the acceleration. Between displacement and time, it will give the velocity. So distance velocity, speed, displacement time, distance time, speed, and displacement time, velocity, velocity time, acceleration. Here object, if it is a straight line, then motion will be uniform, and if it is curved like this, then it is accelerated, and if it is bent towards x-axis downward, then it will be deaccelerated motion. It is the body is at rest, because if graph is parallel to the time axis, then body is said to be at rest, and if graph is parallel to the displacement or distance traveled by the body, then we will say it is not be explained, or it is impossible. At the same instant, body are different places, means the body travels many distances, 2 meter, 5 meter, 6 meter.